Back to our top story. A Wisconsin jury finds Kyle Rittenhouse not guilty on all charges for killing two men and hurting another in the 2020 Kenosha protests.
Sacramento defense attorney Mark Reichel joins us live now to discuss the case. So first, were you surprised that Rittenhouse was found not guilty on all counts today?
Oh, we can't hear you. Is your mic muted?
I hope you can hear me now.
There we go. We hear you. So, what was your reaction?
Well, that was a surprise, too. Everyone's always surprised by a verdict, honestly. It's a gamble. Everyone doesn't know what's really going to happen. So everyone's always surprised. I was surprised. I thought they were going to convict him on lesser counts. I didn't think they were going to actually want to go ahead and really grab this and convict him on the big, serious ones of first-degree murder, but rather they compromise and say, well, let's give something like manslaughter, which is quite common when juries deliberate like that.
Well, look, you say it's always a gamble when you put the defendant on the stand. With this outcome, it appears it was a good move in this case. Talk about the role his testimony must have played with those jurors.
You know, it may or may not, Curtis, to be honest with you, because when you put someone on the stand, what happened before that really goes by the wayside. So if you've been very good on the defense and got a lot of good points from the prosecution, you get to go to closing having made no mistakes. You put your client on, you're right, that's a big gamble because now you can make mistakes. And in this case, I think they could have still said to the jury, put yourself in the minds and in the body of this person. What would you have done? When they put Kyle on the stand, all I can imagine is that sympathy was given because he really comes off as immature and as someone who probably shouldn't even have been there. And I think they probably pushed it over the edge with sympathy for him being in that condition, so young and so forth.
Yeah. And of course, we haven't heard from any of the jurors yet to explain just how they did reach their verdict. What would you like to know about their deliberations if you could talk to them about it?
Well, that's a good question, to be honest with you. I think I would ask them why they did not see those who came to Rittenhouse and who got shot and killed, why they didn't see them as maybe heroes coming to get an active shooter who was running down with a gun and people were saying he just shot someone. I mean, the whole theory was these were the heroes and you're the bad guy. And so I'd be interested to see, you know, basically Wisconsin is an open carry state. So it normalizes. It really makes us, you know, getting used to seeing people walking everywhere with a gun like that. So as a result, I think they would, I'm guessing the jury would have said, and I would like to know from them, they think, look, you're allowed to walk down the street with a gun and somebody comes up and tries to hit you or assault you, whatever, you're entitled to shoot with it. So I would love to hear their view of the victims and why they didn't come to rescue the victims with their verdict.
All right. Mark Reichel, we appreciate your time as always. Thanks for joining us.
Well, thank you.